Patrol, Paw Patrol.
It's the Paw Patroller! You can roll the Paw Patroller to the rescue with Ryder and RoboPup. The ramp opens up so you can load up the vehicles and the Paw Patrol team. You can even transform the Paw Patroller into 2 levels. It's really big. Check out the real working elevator, a landing pad for Sky, and real sounds.
Paw Patrol to the rescue!
The Paw Patroller comes with Ryder and its ATV. Additional vehicles and figures sold separately from Spin Master.